everyone, we are in Port Antonio, Jamaica, and we are on our journey, our search for the best jerk on the island, and we're in Boston Bay, which is said to be the birthplace of jerk. And so we're at a place called Boston Jerk Stop, and we're going to try some jerk pork, fish, and not fish, lobster and chicken. And so we're excited. Right, Mom?
So excited. It's the first time I've gone around the island because I usually come and get stuck in either Montego Bay or Kingston, which is no fun. Here I can see the flora, which is out of this world. Not much fun, but saw mongoose run across the road. And it's exciting. And I'll do it again as long as I get to the places before midnight, the different stops.
She doesn't like being on the road at night.
No.
No. She doesn't like precipice.
Precipice.
Oh, precipice. All right. So we'll be in touch in a minute when we get our food to tell you what we think.
And now we're going to do our taste testing at this joint.
Yes. So until then,
there's another joint, Lord, which Angela is interested in, so we'll see what they do as well.
Yeah. Try it all. We'll try it all for you, so we can tell you what we think.
And so if you come to the island, you know where to go and what to do.
Based on Faye and Angela's opinions.
Trip around the world, Jamaica.
Trip around the Jamaican world. All right, later. The sides are delicious.
Yeah.
We have fresh made bami, pressed plantain, and deep fried sweet potato. 2 cents about the pork I'm eating is that it has nice flavor, but it's dry. It's dry. How about you? Mom, how's your lobster?
My lobster is good.
But it's not jerk lobster though.
No. Not good.
Grilled lobster.
Grilled
They also have the
lobster,
pepper sauce if you want to put on it. But I will say that this is not my favorite
This must be dangerous.
pork.
This must be dangerous. Eh?
So, we finished our meal at Boston Bay at the jerk stop, and I will say that the sides were the best that we've had since we've been on the islands. So we had fried bami, we had fried sweet potato, and we had pressed plantain, plus green plantain, and they were excellent. I would recommend this place for the sides. I had pork, Mom had lobster. I would say my pork was dry. The flavor was there, but it was dry. I definitely feel that we can get better jerk pork on the island. Mom, how was yours?
The lobster was good. I don't think having lobster, at most places could be any more moist. Because the barbecue tend to dry them out a bit. But I enjoyed it. I was ready to eat, and now I'm full and fortified.
So we're gonna try another place here. Down the street there's another jerk place. So we're gonna get some jerk pork, and I'll see if I can get some jerk pork that's more moist. And maybe that's the place to get it here in Boston Bay. I don't know, but we'll let you know in a couple minutes. So we're at Mickey's Jerk Center, and so I just went and bought some more jerk pork to see if this was juicier. We're in Boston Bay, which is, the birthplace of jerk, so I'm gonna try this one and tell you. It's good, but I think that it's still not as juicy as what I think we can find here. But I would say that it's nice and meaty. And I'll share it around and see what everyone else says. Alright? And this bay is now known for surfing. People come here to surf. And the waves are quite beautiful and especially big today. So in addition to being known as the birthplace of jerk, it's also a great place to surf if you're into that.